Alright, so if you ever use a find command to do something, especially on the server, and use a flag exec of it, so there is a two variant to terminate the command which is run by the exec flag of find command. Either you have to escape the semicolon or use the plus. There is a shuttle variant of it. You should be aware of it, because knowing it will help you to write script better, so you can provide the better parsing option to the other command to get its output. To make some sort of sense what I have just babbled, let me go to my terminal, and to start with, I have precisely two find command running on a same directory with the same flag. The difference that first one is terminated with the semicolon, second one is terminated with plus. Okay, so just write it's, and you can see the difference. You can see the command I am executing and the output of it. Okay, the first one, if you terminate the command of exec flag with semicolon, it will run on every occurrence of stuff you find out via find before that. So it will run the command on every instance it found. If you terminate the exec flag with semicolon escape, as you can see, but if you use the plus termination of exec flag, so it will take it at one scoop. That means the command will be only run once as a bunch of the finding you have got it. That's why the empty braces are there after the command, to hold, to gather everything whatever you find before that. So you can see the difference between two output of almost exact command, right? So knowing this distinction is very important. If you frequently script and use this command inside your script, why it's a heads up? Because you probably directing it to or piping it to some other command to use it, right? So you need to know what exactly it should output while using this facility. There is just one difference: the termination of the exec command, whether you use it with semicolon escaped or use POSIX plus. And the plus was later added by POSIX. So this is a subtle difference. I thought to bring it out. So before I let you go, here is a man page excerpt. There is a heads up. It says is inherently insecure, and you should use exec dir, which is a similar kind of flag. And if you read through whatever said in the man page, I'm just extracting it for you. If you pause this particular screen and read through, you'll get a better understanding what this command is supposed to do and with what. There is some example also. This might sound trivial, but Um, it might not be, because if you run a busy production server or public facing server with your script, and before you deploy it, you need to take into account of lot of stuff about the overhead of running that particular script on a production system. So little thing which might help you to decide how the impact will be. Oftentimes it's seen that n number of small things spike things up rather than one big thing which gobbles up. So if you pay little attention to the detail, you can eliminate a lot of unnecessary headache. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.